Mga katropa, mga kaibigan, mga kuya, and of course to all our friends here at JS Valerio Auto Care Center, welcome and good afternoon to everyone. We have our client of ceramic coating 2 days ago, and they inquired kung paano po ba ang benefits and what are the benefits and ano po bang advantage ng paglalagay ng ceramic coating sa isang sasakyan. Yung iba ay tinatanong, pag brand new ba, kailangan pa po namin lagyan or second hand, or kailangan pa ba namin ayusin ng paint or whatsoever. Mga kapatid, ang ating proseso sa JS Valerio Auto Care Center is we always make sure that your car is at its best condition, of course. And number 2, yung ating detailing services, it's a professional detailing hub. Hindi po ito yung basta-basta na sinasabing detailing, maka-buffing ka lang, maka-rubbing compound ka lang, maka 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. We make sure that our staff is well-trained for your car needs. Lalo na po ngayon, nakikita po natin maraming brand new car, maraming car enthusiasts na ang iniisip sa sasakyan po nila kung paano talaga ito mapapanatiling mas makinis, mas maganda, at lalong-lalo na mas mapapakinabangan pa ng mga magiging anak at magiging apo pa natin in the future. So mga kapatid ko, mga katropa, ang ginagawa po natin for the ceramic coating is we always make sure that the paint is being well taken care of. So katulad nga po ng ginawa po natin sa ating mga sasakyan, makikita nyo dito sa likod natin, ito yung mga personal vehicles po natin. Ayan, naka-ceramic po, pure ceramic coating po ito. It has been like 2 years already. We are using the G-Technic brand. There's a lot of brand in the ceramic coating industry na nagkakamali po ang mga consumer po natin, ang mga customers po natin, na if they think that the price of the ceramic coating is just 5,000, 10,000, iba-iba po mga presyo. Hindi na nila naiisip the quality of the brand of the ceramic coating should be US brand, should be imported. Meron po mga lumalabas po, I'm not saying that the China brand is not good, pero the same token, we're not using the chemicals na medyo low grade, kasi we want the recall of the customers para po maibalik po sa atin yung tiwala ng customer natin. May pinagkakatiwala po mga pinagkahirap-hirapan nila ng mga gamit na sasakyan at pinag-ipunan para mabili po ang kanilang mga pangarap. Kami naman po, ang obligasyon naman po namin ay bigyan po ng justice ang inyong sasakyan at mabigyan po ng magandang kaukulang pag-aalaga ang mga sasakyan natin. So mga kapatid, tingnan po natin mga katropa ang ginawa natin ng ceramic coating. So that is the effect of the ceramic coating that we put into this brand new Honda BRV. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it has been ran for almost just 300 kilometers before they bring it here in our shop. And I would like to thank the owner for giving a trust for us to handle their beloved car and putting the trust to JS Valerio Auto Care Center. So for the ceramic coating packages, for this month, we have an ongoing promotion since we just opened this new branch in Nai Cavite. We are giving like 40 to 50% discount for all those newcomers and to those who will patronize our auto detailing services here at Nai Cavite. So first, the hydrophilic and hydrophobic effect in the ceramic coating, very seldom shops who can offer this in one payment only. So for this promotion, mga kapatid ko, mga katropa, ito yung pag nakita nyo, simple natin yung pagpapaliwanag. Pagka tinamaan ng alikabok, tinamaan ng tubig, yan ay parang lumuluha yung iba. Yung iba ay parang humihiwalay pa, buka naman sila, parang nawawala ang tubig nila, bumabagsak. So the advantage for this, the hydrophobic and the hydrophilic, mawawala yung mga acid marks natin, yung mga dust natin, maiiwasan natin na pag napunasan bigla o nakakamay ng bata o nakamay ng mga tambay sa labas, ay hindi tayo magagasgasan ng sasakyan. especially the black colors, the dark colors. Medyo these colors are, we have to take it seriously. We have to take it critically. Like, we have to do it in such a manner that we have to take care of the car. We have to think of the don't think of the expensive ceramic coating, think of the aftermath, think of the future of your car, and maybe one day kailangan natin talagang gawin to ceramic coating for us to be able to take care of our beloved cars. Take it from me, some of my cars, it has been months that I haven't washed it. It has been months that I haven't seen my car. It's only in the garage, Garage King, Garage Queen itself. But nakita ko po na hindi po talaga nagkakaroon ng marks, hindi nagkakaroon ng gasgas o ano man.